Damn, we extra fluffy today. Hey guys, Gael Level here, and this is an update video to tell you guys where I've been. I haven't been uploading or live streaming for a while now, and I feel like I should come clean now. I should tell you what's been going on in my life. I've been working on a project, okay? I've been working on, I can't really call it a side project because it's taking a lot of my time right now and I'm focusing kind of on it. I basically been hired by a company to do some work, okay? Let's keep it at that, okay? I don't want to do the big reveal yet. So you probably see my uploads are less frequent and my live streams are even less frequent. You know, they were never frequent really. Something that I also need to tell you is that this is not just the cause of it. I've been meaning to do some changes to my YouTube channel for a while now. Basically, I'm gonna try to be honest, okay? I'm not completely satisfied with where I am as a YouTube channel. I'm not completely satisfied with. I am proud, okay? I am grateful. The work that I've done and the people that I've met makes it totally worth it. Absolutely. My problem with the channel right now is that I went in the direction of tutorials. Of course, this is what I do. It's how to. I used to make videos talking about more of the advanced aspect, the whole mindset. And I've been getting a lot of, I always get negative feedback from those, like not a lot, but those are the videos where people respond not too well to, basically, because it's kind of criticism, you know, when I'm telling people, hey, honestly, if you can't manage to get more than 3 viewers, you might want to take a look at yourself and ask yourself, are you boring or not? And I get it. Okay, I might ruffle some feathers. I get it. In order to stay out of that whole drama and avoid having those negative exchanges with people, what I would do is I would stick to basic tutorial. I would do stuff like, hey, here's how to set up this. Okay, Streamlabs has a new feature. Here's how to do it. And then that's it, and not talk more about it. And honestly, I feel like those are the videos that get the most reach, because those are problems that people are looking for. When I started the channel, this was kind of my strategy. In order to get views, I would make content that people would search. That's why I have like 4 different videos on how to make Twitch emotes. I have 4 different videos on how to customize your Twitch channel step by step, and then one is how to get the pro look. You know what I mean? Those are videos that work because people are constantly, every single day, they're looking for it. Those are videos that guarantee to have thousands upon thousands of views. But when I make a video that's more advanced, even though the community keeps asking me for more advanced stuff, those videos don't do well. You know, everyone, if you go to my comment section, they'll be like, oh, I would love to know how to make transitions, and I'll make a tutorial on how to make transition, and it won't get a lot of attention. You know, people will be like, stop giving us overlays, teach us how to make overlays. And then I make tutorials on how to make overlays and no one watches it. By no one, of course, I'm exaggerating, but you know what I mean. So I don't know if it's the algorithm, I don't know if it's the community really, but I know that it's not something that I feel comfortable with in a way. It's not something that I really like. The fact that the more advanced content just doesn't get the reach that I want it to get. And I'm a full-time content creator. I can't afford to test the waters anymore. Basically, testing the waters is like potentially not paying my bills this month. So this is not something that I can do. I really need to make content that fits me, that suits me, okay, that represents me. And at the same time, I need to make content that will work, you know, that will have the reach. Because I'm, as much as I love talking about the more advanced stuff, developing new widgets and being creative and creating content that has never been seen before, talking about the whole marketing side of things, the whole business side of things, I'm really passionate about those subjects, but I'm not interested in basically ruining my channel by doing this. So I had 2 solutions. Basically, I had 2 ways that I could go with the channel. One way was expand and touch on other things and make it more broad, basically, or stick to tutorials because that works. Basically, find a couple keywords and then pump out the same videos over and over again. And I don't the latter doesn't seem appealing to me at all. I also understand that the tight community that I have, because don't be fooled by the numbers. I always say that just because someone has 20,000 subscribers doesn't mean that this person has 20,000 supporters. Matter of fact, it's a very, 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 very small percentage of those 20,000 that's going to be tight with me, basically, that are going to actually follow me on social media, come to my streams, like actually keep up with what I'm doing. And I want that community to grow, because that's kind of my goal here. My goal is to, you know, grow a community. Everyone's going to tell you that, but truly my goal is to grow this tight community that I have. And I can't do it by only uploading straight to the point tutorials. Anyways, so in order to not make this video too long, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be trying a couple of new things. There will still be tutorials. I will probably upload less frequently since I'm working on another project, but I'm trying to introduce more fun and more personality to the channel. Also, the streaming community is nowadays is very, very about drama. So it's always about, you know, talking bad about other people. Other people are doing something bad that justifies us ruining this person's life. Like I'm not about all of that. I'm really not interested to it. That's why I don't even talk about when there's news in the streaming community. You know, Shroud moved to Mixer. People kept asking me, what are your thoughts on that? What are your thoughts? It's as if like it's the same thing as if he ate a bagel this morning. I don't care. I'm not Shroud. Why would I have something to say? And like I don't care. I really don't care. Okay. I know I know Mixer is something that people are talking more and more about, but for me personally, until Mixer starts showing me numbers that makes it relevant, I'm not completely like I don't need to have Mixer in the back of my mind right now. Basically, I stream on Twitch. I've tried watching Mixer. I didn't really like it, but I understand a lot of people in my community stream on Mixer, and I absolutely respect that. Okay, don't get me wrong. I have nothing against Mixer. I think it's great what they're doing, really, for a small platform with the small numbers that they have. The fact that they're making big moves is a good thing. The whole idea of competition is good for everybody. That is absolutely true. I'm not against that at all. But that doesn't mean that I'm gonna start putting out Mixer related content. Like that's I'm not interested right now, basically. So okay, I'm gonna stay out of drama. I'm gonna try to do some more personal content, maybe have a talk like that from time to time. If you guys have any comments, if you have any ideas, if you have any suggestions, I'm all ears. So type them in the comment section below. And oh, before I go, it's about to be Christmas, okay? You can't avoid the whole Christmas season and all of that. So if you're thinking about getting overlays, special overlays for Christmas, good news, your boy got you covered. I have 3 different overlay packs for Christmas, and they are up right now on gumroad.com/Gael level. I like the 2 red ones, and then you have a Grinch one if you're more of a, hey, I don't like the red and I don't like Christmas or whatever. Anyways, and one last thing, I really need to promote my Instagram way more often on this channel. So go follow me on Instagram. If you want to keep up with me, if you see me, if you feel like I'm ghosting you, that I haven't uploaded on YouTube and you feel like I've fallen off the internet, that's not true. I upload regularly to can we call it upload to Instagram. So follow me there. I'm at Gael.level over there. So I'll see you there. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Go out there. Get out there. Go over here. Go out there. Make me proud. Gael level out.